So how do you save money on your road trips on fuel? You know, when you have to stop by the gas station to fill up the tank, and then you see so high prices and you think, oh my god, this road trip is really expensive, and you hoped, for example, that no, it will be cheap if you just take your car and stop somewhere to sleep over by the road. No, fuel is very expensive on the highways here in Europe, very expensive. So this is one idea what we do, what Rokas does when he drives. So he always waits for the tank to get empty, like a lot, not fully empty, yeah, of course, but a lot, so that he will fill up the full tank, almost the full tank again, yeah. And then when he notices that he has to fill up the tank, then he finds some village very close to the highway. So that can be like, for example, 3 minutes, because you have this kind of villages very close to the road. Yeah, you can find them. Some of them are close, of course, further, for let's say 10 minutes or so you have to drive for 10 minutes when you get out of the highway. But some of them are very close, like you exit the highway and immediately hop, there is some village and a gas station. So when you go for that kind of gas stations, the price is way cheaper. Roka said that last time he saved, I think, 15 euros for the full tank, and he considers it as a very good price. So this is like one of the ways how to save money when you are on the road trip, and then on the road trip on the highways, where the prices of the fuel are always very expensive.